My name is Ricky from Headland Machinery, and this morning I'm going to be giving you two handy tips on what you can do before shutting down for the year. Number one, our suggestion is that you change your coolant, which is quite important. This is your cutting medium, your machine. So this gets quite gunked up and is no good for good surface finish. Number two, we suggest changing all your batteries and doing a full backup of your system. If you have a look over here, this is your NC battery, and we change this every year after we've done a backup. Number two, down at the bottom over here, you've got your absolute pulse coder batteries, which holds holds the positions for all your axes. So we change this every year as well. And sometimes there's an additional battery which normally has a resistor on, and we also change this for your controller every year. So this is absolutely critical in not losing information on your machine, critical information, parameters, macro programs, things that you really don't want to inconvenience you when you start up for the new year. And these don't cost a lot of money to do, to come through, to do a full backup and to change your batteries. Thank you, and we wish you a Merry Christmas.